Tada! Wow! Beachfront, sea view. Ganda! Hey everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat mula dito sa aming Grab Express. Today we are going to Bohol! Panglao. First time ni Mami mag-Bohol sa buong buhay niya. Kasi ilan na lang yung city na hindi mo na pupuntahan sa Pilipinas.
Bohol na lang at saka
Ilocos. So yan, at least nablibot na niya ang buong Pilipinas. Daig pa niya ang presidente ng Pilipinas. Ikaw, mahal, pang ilan mo na sa Bohol?
Isa na lang, wala.
Ha?
Isa na lang. Pang ilan ko na sa Bohol?
Hindi ka nakikinig sa tanong!
Mga 10 siguro beses.
Ako, pang-apat na. Pang-apat na sa Pero, first time ko makikita yung Chocolate Hills bukas. Ay, diba? So, samahan niyo kami. Dito na kami sa Terminal 2. We're flying via Air Asia. And sila Mami sa Philippine Airlines. Magkahiwalay ka.
Diyan na lang
Kasi
po kami.
humabol sila eh.
magkikita na tayo sa Bohol. See you in Bohol! Bye!
Bye!
Kami naman ay mag-check-in na sa Air Asia. 5 o'clock ang namin, ang tawag dito? Flight namin, pero 2:57 pa lang. Maaga pa naman to kasi hindi naman to international flight. Pero sana mas efficient na sila. Dito ang Terminal 2. Bihira kami dito. Surprise! Are you surprised we're here? Yes! We're going to where? Yay! This is the baggage drop of Air Asia. Ganito pala itsura sa Terminal 2.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Simple, not like before.
Yeah.
Bakasyon ba talaga to o trabaho?
Hello everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa Terminal 2 at of course, in-expect ko na delayed ang flight namin. Delayed ng 1 hour. So, andito na sila. Say hi! Hi guys!
Si Miss Main yan! Gab! Si Miss Main!
Yung isa naman nagtatrabaho pa din. Tinigil ko na, mamaya na lang ulit. Oo.
Friend mo yun, di ba, ate?
Oo. Friend ko yan, masipag yan eh. Oo.
Wow! Ilang format na
Yung isa first time namin makakasama, yun o, yung maitim na yun.
Hindi makita.
Oo, yun. First time namin makakasama mag-travel. Pangalan niya George Malyari. Siya rin yung architect ng bahay namin. So, abangan nyo kaming madelay ng flight mamaya. Ito yung view namin sa Terminal 2. Ayan. Yung parents ko nandun sa, Bay, ano tawag doon? Gate 10. Nandun sila. Kasi Philippine Airlines sila. So baka mag-abot pa kami sa airport mamaya. Sana, para isahang sunduan na lang kami. Finally, we're boarding. We have been delayed. 5 o'clock. Pero, anong oras na ngayon, mahal?
6:54.
6:54. Papunta na kami ng aming aeroplano.
That's 2 hours
2 hours delay. Seat 1. This is our view. Tada! Unang-una. Touchdown! Tagbilaran Airport! Yeah! Dito na kami after 2 hours of delay. So excited. Imbes na nagsiswimming na kami, hindi pa rin. So, ayan, papunta na kami para hintayin ang luggage namin. The last time we were here,
It was our
honeymoon. 5 years ago. So, let's make more memories. Yan ang aking mga magulang. Nakikita
Good
niyo
evening, parents.
yung mga puting buhok.
Good evening, parents.
Akalain mo yun nagsabay pa tayo? Kaya nga.
this is our hotel. Solea Coast, Panglao.
In Bohol.
Yes.
We
This
still
is a relatively new hotel, 2023. 2 years pa lang. Very kid-friendly.
Slide.
Merong giant slide here.
and there's also a kids room.
I know, there's a kids room.
And while the kids are playing, there are some chairs so the adults can watch them.
Yeah.
Child friendly.
Child-friendly indeed.
Child friendly indeed.
Obvious ba ang saya nila? Hello from our room here in Solea Coast. Ang laki-laki ng room at nakakalat na ang aming mga luggage on the floor. 2 queen beds. It's so big. It's so spacious. Ayan na yung extra towels natin and water. Ayan, salamat. Tsaka yung tubig. Dito mo na lagay. Yan. Thank you. Look at the bed. Ang laki. Sana comfy yung bed. Ito yung full body mirror. Ito yung banyo. May naliligo na. Hindi ko napapakita. Tapos ito yung sabitan ng mga damit. Merong lagayan ng luggage. May safe, mini ref, may libreng tubig, electric kettle. Tapos luggage rack. Yan yung mga gamit namin on the floor. My mom, working desk, TV. Ayan, kanya-kanya na kami. Dito, bukas ko na lang papakita sa inyo yung view from our room. It's so beautiful, kahit madilim. So, ayun na. Ito na yung mga extra towels namin. Pwede kayo mag-request and extra water. Tomorrow will be in the Bohol countryside. So, we will see for the first time Chocolate Hills, Tarsier. Kahit pang-apat ko na dito, never pa ako nag-Chocolate Hills. So, excited kami bukas. Tapos, maglo-Lobok River Cruise kami. Yan. So, good night! Good morning from our room here in Solea. So, kagabi, nakapag-check-in kami around 10 p.m. Tapos, settle in, nag-bless ng room para, makatulog ng maayos. Okay may tulog namin. Ako, siguro excited ako nung masyado nakatulog. Medyo mababaw lang. Yung parents ko nag-breakfast na sa baba. So, pasunod na kami doon. Maliligo lang kami. But I want you to see, guys, this view. Andito ako ngayon sa may tapat ng balcony namin. Tada! Wow! Beachfront, sea view. This is the other side of Alona Beach. I don't know what beach this is called, pero hindi siya Alona Beach. So, ang daming divers na kanina na nagpunta. Nakikita ko yung mga tangke kasi na dala-dala nila. Nire-refillan siguro nila ng oxygen. Fun fact, I used to free dive pre-pandemic, pre-mic. 2017 nag-start ako tama ba? 2017, mga ganyan. Nag-start ako mag-dive. Actually, nag-start ako scuba diving sa Anilao. And then, may nakita akong free divers habang nagsuscuba diving kami. Tapos sabi ko, parang may thrill yan. Parang mas gusto ko yung walang oxygen. So, nag-aral ako. Nag-aral ako free diving. Tapos, yun, the rest is history. I bought my own fins, long fins. May goggles ako and all. Tapos, nagdala ako ng mga friends ko na mag-dive sa Anilao. Tapos, hanggang sa na-addict kami ng friends ko na mag-dive. Punta kami ng Palawan. Punta kami ng Cebu. Tapos, nag-Culion, Palawan kami. That's near Coron, another island near Coron. Tapos sobrang untouched nung island na yun. Ang ganda-ganda. Dive kami sa shipwreck. Grabe, sobrang addict ko. Single kasi ako nung wala akong magawa. So kahit alam niyo naman kagatin ako, diba, ng mga insekto, ng mga even sand mites and underwater, kinakagat ako. So kaya iniisip ko tuloy bukas kasi island hopping bukas tsaka diving day. Kung magra-rash guard ba ako kasi nga mamaya makagat na naman ako kagatin nga tayo. Type B positive yung blood ko. So yun, every after dive ko, ang dami kong kagat. Yung maliliit na jellyfish daw yung tinatawag nila doon. So, let's see kung porma muna o Pupunta kami doon. I think that's the Balikasag Island. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, nakikita niyo yun. Yung maliit na island na yan. Diyan maganda mag-dive kasi sobrang kalmado ng tubig. Bohol kasi is known for its blue water and calm water.
Although umulan kagabi, tsaka kanina. Sana hindi umulan today kasi today we will be doing countryside tour. So we'll go to Chocolate Hills to see the Tarsier, Lobok River Cruise, tapos Manwi Forest. Yan. So magpipicture kami doon. Exciting! And then we'll take you to our honeymoon hotel. So, mag-overnight kami doon. So, after this hotel in Solea, we'll transfer to our honeymoon hotel. Abangan nyo kung ano yung honeymoon hotel na yun. Pero sulit talaga yun. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang pakita yung view ngayon. Ay, ano ba yun? Ba't sinuzoom ko yung mukha ko? Ito yung kwarto namin na maliwanag. Diba? Sobrang luwag. Naliligo na yung asawa ko. Ito yung mirror namin. So, see you later, guys. We're on our way to Chocolate Hills, ang first stop namin today. Kakatapos lang namin mag-grocery. Ano masasabi mo? 5 years ago, we were here. Pero never pa tayo nag-chocolate. Ako,
Hindi
never
tayo
pa ako
nag-tour.
nag-chocolate Hills. Yan na yung blood compact site dito. Okay. This is the entrance of the Chocolate Hills viewing deck. God bless na lang sa parents ko na aakyat ng 200 steps. Oh my God! Lord help us. Daming turista today. Talagang umakit kami ng 11 o'clock eh, no? Akit kami ngayon para makita ang buong Chocolate Hills. First pahinga station from the baba.
Look at that!
We made it! The parents made it! Woohoo! Congrats! Kaya ng senior! Ganda! Hi ka muna! Okay na kami? 5 minutes na picture. Sobrang init. Okay na. Pero ganda. We are here in the Tarsier area. Mabayad muna kami ng entrance. The entrance here for regular people are 170, senior 136, student 160. May orientation pa pala.
And impart rules to be followed before entering inside. Tarsiers are known to be one of the smallest primates in the world, 3 to 5 meters transferring from tree to tree.
Pwesto muna, pwesto.
Big eyes, bigger than their brain.
Daddy, bilisan mo umihi. So when you come here in the Tarsier area, bawal mag-inay. Hindi pwede mag-inay. Kasi magigising sila. During the daytime, they are sleeping or resting. During the nighttime, they are alive. Mami. We're sleeping. We're sleeping. Yeah, we cannot wake them up. Yes. Pawis. Where's my husband? There.
Hi everybody, so we're here now in a man-made forest. We just came from the conversation. We just came from the conversation with the Tarsier. No, we just came from the conservation area of the Tarsier. So, nakakita kami ng mga Tarsier pero mas malaki pa yung mata ng asawa ko. So, papunta na kami ng man-made forest. Dadaanan naman to papuntang Lubok River.
Sabi, yung mata daw ng Tarsier, mas malaki pa sa brain nila.
Yes. So we're here now in the man-made forest.
Ganda!
It's beautiful
Ganda
here.
niya.
And yung mga ginagawa ng mga tao, nagsastop sila dito sa gitna, tapos nagpapapicture sila. Yan ang ginagawa nila, kaya maraming kotse. Yan. Pero hindi na namin gagawin yun. Kasi marami kaming puno sa mga bahay-bahay namin.
Feeling! Lobok River Cruise. So this is where we're gonna eat lunch today. May ATM dito, so wala namang problema. It's 1,000 per head. It's a buffet lunch. We are now going to the Lobok River Cruise. Finally, makakakain na kami. 2:00 na ng hapon. Mahaba pala ng pila sa loob, no? Buti na naka-priority kami at naka-tour kami. So, ito yung dadaanan mo. Yes, later. Buffet line starts here. Nice experience. May banda pa sa loob.
And it's St. Patrick's Day because the river is green.
What the heck are you talking about?
St. Patrick's Day here in the Lubbock River.
Lobok?
Yeah. Yung barbecue.
Kakain na kami.
Red whale type of boat.
No, I'm sorry. Hindi ko alam pero parang nahihilo kung tumitingin ako sa labas. So marami palang boat. Thank you, ate. Ayan, may buko na. Own composition ng kanta nila. Diba? Galing, no?
Ay nako! Pumasok kasi! Yay!
We are in Baclayon Church, the oldest church here in Bohol. 1595. It's Immaculada Conception, Immaculate Conception Church. The church is made up of corals. O, ano pang mga dito, sir?
Ito yung pinakaunang simbahan dito sa Bohol.
Nandito kami sa Souveniran. Ayan o. Souvenira. Dito mura yung mga peanut kisses. Nakabili tayo ng 16 pieces. Ay, Diyos ko. 16 pieces of peanut kisses for 250 pesos. Pinakamura na dito. Galing. Tapos, bumili kami ng cassava chips and then this mango cubes. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ano to?
Yup.
Patikim nga. Ako naghahanap kasi ako ng maalat kaya bumili ako nitong cassava chips. Ang asim ng amoy.
Guys,
Weird.
Good morning, day 3 in Bohol. We're going island hopping here in Panglao. So these are my kasama. 6 o'clock ang call time. So alam nyo na, lahat tayo, hindi kami morning people. So yung mga itsura nila mga cranky. Their protection against the wickedness is to them. This is our Spirit, amen.
good morning. Thank you, Dean.
Sister T.
Sister Tit! Naku wag, hindi! Welcome to our day 3 here in Bohol. So, today is island hopping day. Kanina, ang ginawa lang namin, call time namin was 6 a.m. So, alam nyo na, bangag na bangag kami. Ang ginawa lang namin today, may plema. Dolphin watching. Nakakita naman kami ng maraming dolphins. Uy, parang ano ko, flush. Ganda. Ang makeup. Pero flush. Sunburn. Pero nag-sunscreen naman tayo. So, ayun nga. Ay, dolphin watching kanina. Tapos nag-dive kami, snorkeling sa Balikasag Island. Doon talaga yung may bangin na coral. Sobrang daming school of fish. Ang daming iba't ibang klaseng sea creatures na makikita mo doon sa Balikasag Island. Kaya talagang heaven siya for divers. And then after that, we saw a big pawikan as well. Kaya yun. So, we arrived in the hotel kasi super lapit lang ng hotel namin sa Balikasag. Like 30-minute boat ride. We arrived around 10 a.m. So, natulog kami. Tulog muna kami sa hotel. And then we had lunch sa Kamaya, which hindi ko na na-vlog kanina. Okay lang yung food, di ganun kasarap, pero sakto lang. That's near our hotel. And then, natulog ulit kami. So, nag-edit ako ng video. Tapos ngayon, nandito na kami sa dinner place namin, which is one of the best dinner restaurants daw here in Bohol, which is Mist. So, I want you guys to see it. Ayan siya. It is very aesthetic. Aesthetic. Ang daming mga pakulo dito. May slide. Ayan, magsaslide yung mga bata dito para makababa ka. Tapos may hammock doon.
I-slide din yung mga
Senior din daw magsaslide, sabi nila. Basta na yung pakulo dito. May mga parang bed type of kainan.
May swing.
Upuan, may swing. So ano masasabi mo dito sa Mist? Di pa kami kumakain, di pa dumating yung order namin, pero the verdict later.
Yeah.
Pero so far,
Ang daming interesting na places. Tapos very well
The areas, not places.
It's still generic stuff.
ayun.
Tapos, ewan ko nakita mo, para silang may loft type dun sa taas.
Okay.
Para lahat ng spaces may pwedeng pagkain.
Oh, nice. So, iba-iba yung style actually ng
Hindi siya yung structured lang na parang
Oo. Ganda. Ganda. Galing ng pagkakagawa.
Abstract.
Tapos marami kaninang mga orders kanina na naka-torch. So, exciting. Sana masarap yung food para, di ba, sulit yung bayad. At yung paghihintay namin ng 30 minutes. Abangan nyo na lang later. The bread is really yummy, right, Gab Gab?
Pwedeng umiinom.
Gab Gab, yummy? Yummy? Yummy nga, masarap. Let's see. Let's check. It's so creamy. What's this? Oh, the egg. What's that? Golden char.
Wow.
Wow, mais yan. Golden mais. This is the glory ribs. I'm sure you will feel all the glory when you eat this. First bite.
Good.
Can I have a bite?
Maglagay ka ng sauce muna, oh.
Yan, kay daddy naman ako kukuha. Maliit lang, maliit lang.
Walang sauce. Kasi dapat ginagawa.
Ano yung isa?
Sarap nga.
Dad, baka magulat ka.
Baka mainit for you.
Baka mainit sa likod mo. Mainit nga.
That's our food right there.
Wait lang, Gab.
That's our food. Hi everyone.
Wow.
Oh, say something to your older self. Grabe naman yan, ha? That's so, wisdom, full of wisdom. Hey, Gab Gab, when you turn 10 years old or 18 years old, please remember your Tita Min. What do you want to tell your 18-year-old self? Oh, okay. Okay, let's make that happen. What is that? That's chocolate? Chocolate what? Yung asawa ko po. Sige, ikaw mag-commentary. Commentary. Oh, go. Daming pakulo ng restaurant na to. Nice.
Hello, video! Hello, video!
Hello, video. Nagti-take over po tayo ngayon sa vlog ni Miss Main. Kasi siya ngayon very hardworking. So, she's doing a lot of things and she needs help. So, kung may kakilala kayo na ibang vlogger, ito po yung asawa niya. Ayan. So, lay preacher po namin siya sa Feast Novotel. Magaling naman siya. I mean, kung araw-arawin mo siya, gets mo na. Pero kung first time, ma-overwhelm ka. Ano ba dapat sinasabi pag nagva-vlog? Kasi, take over lang naman tayo ngayon. Ha? Yana? Things you didn't know, hindi ko maintindihan. Ayan na si Miss Mina, huli tayo, bye.
Bye, Solea. Medyo marami akong comments, but I will think it over before I comment it. We're on our way to our honeymoon hotel, Amorita Resort in Bohol. One night lang. Pero ano masasabi mo sa Solea? Okay naman, it's a new hotel, pero I think marami silang mga kailangan i-improve.
Yeah.
Lalo na yung guest services nila, yung communication nila. Check-in natin, check-in natin medyo matagal. Late check-in kami pero parang ang daming mga processes. Nasanay kami sa ibang bansa na pag nag-check-in kami, ID
Diretso
lang,
na.
passport, tapos bigay na agad ng tawag doon? Card. Ganoon, kabilis.
So, kanina, ang ginawa namin, nagsimba kami. Today is Sunday. Ascension Sunday. Nagpunta kami sa St. Augustine Panglao Church. 8:30 a.m. Mass. Punong-puno. Pero ang init. Pero syempre, wala naman din man aircon. Tapos Bisaya yung Mass. Syempre, konti lang nakaintindi sa amin. Pero sabi ko nga, di ba, pagka Catholic ka naman, kahit anong language yan, basta alam mo yung order of Mass, maiintindihan mo, makakasagot ka pa rin kahit English.
Ako para sa akin nostalgic kasi syempre tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nagbibisaya mas. So parang sobrang familiar. Parang it's a mass of home. Parang it's really close to heart.
Yeah.
So very passionate yung pagsagot ko. Very nakakasabay ako sa kanta, yung mga kanta.
Tapos
Yung mga kanta ng bata ako hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung mga kanta.
Yeah.
But it's home. Yeah. Yun yung na-appreciate ko talaga.
Kung hindi mo maintindihan yung readings, meron namang mga apps kami. We have Feast app.
Yeah.
Nandun yung first reading, responsoria, gospel, ganyan. So, hindi naman mahihirapan.
Tsaka,
Basta sumagot ka lang.
very parang feeling ko very common at very generic yung misa
Oo,
talaga
kasi
na.
ganoon din kami kahit nasa ibang bansa kami, nagsisimba kami kahit iba yung language. Kasi it's still Sunday obligation. We should go to Mass every Sunday.
True.
Do not miss it. Kasi we have no excuse unless sobrang kailangan talaga or alam mo yun, hindi mo talaga mapuntahan because of sickness, because of unimaginable circumstance. So, buti na lang yung resort, 10 minutes away lang yung simbahan. One tuk-tuk.
All in all, I think Solea is a good
Yeah,
place
it's
to
a
stay.
good, beachfront. Pagka diver ka, perfect sa'yo yun.
Yeah.
Pero kung chill-chill ka lang, pwede ka na dun sa Alona Park. Kaso mas mahal dun.
Yung mga areas are okay. Food is good actually.
Yeah,
Sarap
the food is good. Oo. Actually,
Pero yun nga lang, kailangan lang mag-improve yung service. Mag-improve yung,
pero okay, spacious yung room.
yeah, very spacious.
Okay siya.
Kailangan siguro masama lang. If gusto nila mag-upgrade into having more stars and parang maging destination talaga siya for tourists, upgrade more on the place, sa service.
We are in Amorita!
Yay!
Alona Beach na yan. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Sarap? Sarap? Yan, ba't ganyan? Sulit, no? Yes! Cold towel pa lang, sulit na. So, here in Amorita, may mga villas like that. Villas. May mga pool inside the villas. Yeah. But we're on our way to our lunch area, restaurants nila. Yun yung mga magaganda talaga. 'Di ba? It's so serene. So nice here. Kaya sulit talaga magstay dito sa Amorita. Woohoo! The best in Bohol. Yan. Ang tunog ng probinsya. Yan yung gusto natin. And there's another pool there. Wow. There's a playground here for kids. And the restaurant is above. Tada! Look at that. So nice. Yay! This is where we're gonna eat.
Come on, Pink Brian. So we're back here in Amorita after 5 years. This is where my wife and I had our honeymoon.
And this is actually their second pool already. Sa receiving area nila, there's a pool already where you can do your cocktails and all. Dito naman, this is the Saffron Restaurant sa likod ko. And then meron na rin silang pool. So yeah, and then makikita nyo overlooking yan. Makikita nyo yung Sina. Yan. And when you go here, this is where the rooms are. Yan, ito na yung mga rooms. I can remember na nagduyan-duyan pa kami ng wife ko dito kasi outside of the rooms meron pa kayong pwedeng gawin. So they have this duyan, the native duyan. Ayan. And then yung famous nila na design where you can do your gram and all. And then they actually have a parang seashore area. Ang tawag nila dito, they call it the Secret Cove. There you go. That's the Secret Cove. Where pagpunta mo, meron ka ng area kung saan pwede kang maligo. So technically, it's really a secret cove. Kung saan ka pwede maligo. Look at that. So you can stay here as well. Ang saya. Galing ako dun sa taas. This is one of the hidden treasure. Hidden treasure. So sa mga pinagmamayabang na Amorita, yung area na to. Ganda.
This is Spicy Ocean
Even
Bake.
Roblox is your age. I hope I get the soy sauce.
Wow.
I hope I get see what is it?
Sobrang malasa.
I said super sad. No. I have no, there's no soy. Then what kind?
Lechon kawali, dinuguan. And kansi. The halo-halo you did not expect.
Here to eat lunch. That's all.
Surprise! We are now here in our room in Amorita. Upon entrance, ayan siya. Sorry, ang dami na nakasabit. Nag-settle in na kami. Nakakalat na rin yung mga gamit. So, ito yung bed. 2 double beds siya. Malaki. Very spacious. Meron kang veranda dyan. First floor kami kasi may seniors kaming kasama. They have this welcome card and cookie na free. Ayan. And then, may upuan. TV. Desk. Mga pagkain namin. Tapos, slippers. Safe. Yan. Towels. Tapos full body mirror here and then nandito yung banyo. May tao sa banyo kaya hindi ko na yun papakita. So, ganyan lang siya. Very simple lang siya. But, you know, the luxurious, feeling, ganda. Ganda. Sulit talaga dito sa Amorita. They have villas with pool, pero parang mga nasa 20k or 25k a night yun. So, hindi natin afford yun. So, next time na lang. Pero I'm just happy that I was able to bring my parents here. It's their first time. Alam mo yun, na kahit senior sila, ma-experience sila yung mga ganitong bagay. So, yun. So nice view from the restaurant upstairs. And then that's where the secret beach is. Nasa baba niyan. Tapos dati doon sa dulo din yung rooms namin. But now, dito sa likod lang din. So we're now here in Bohol International Airport. We are bound for Manila and so excited to go home. We had the best time in Solea, Coast and Amorita Resort.
I got this tarsier from Amorita.
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 So okay, I'm
It's
gonna ask
because
you a question.
I gave them a note,
A
then they
note?
gave me cookies, 10 pieces.
In return, okay.
In
sige.
return.
Okay,
And
this is
this
Liana Jane.
Bleh.
Yana, and then this is Gab Gab. Okay.
I have a
Dolphin.
dolphin.
I'm gonna ask you some questions. What is your favorite activity that we did here in Bohol?
Me first.
Okay.
My favorite activity is when we were island hopping, then we get to swim. I found 2 shells. And there's some crazy ones.
Crazy shells.
Crazy.
Okay, thanks, Yana. How about you, Gab Gab?
When I was snorkeling, I saw
You were scared,
a big
Big what?
turtle.
You saw a big turtle.
And the blue starfish and the yellow starfish.
Oh, wow. That's so amazing. Okay, so since we stayed in 2 hotels or 2 resorts, which one is your favorite?
I like Amorita because
Because?
they gave stuffed toys. There was literally 2 pools.
Oh, yeah.
And top buffet. Is that a buffet?
Yeah, it is.
A buffet. I had fun. I learned how to swim.
Oh, yeah.
And her name is Teacher May.
Okay, how about you, Gab Gab? What's your favorite? The first hotel, Solea or Amorita?
Amorita.
Why?
Because there's big attached pool, 5 feet.
2 kiddie pools. So you enjoyed swimming a lot. Okay, thank you, Gab Gab. Here's another question. If you're gonna choose what destination we will go to next, which destination would it be? You, where do you want to go next, Gab Gab?
I wanna go
To Boracay again? Why?
because there's
Good hotel there also. Okay, so you like hotel hopping or hotel staycations? You like hotels,
I
right?
like hotel stays.
Okay, staycation. How about you, Yana?
What?
Which destination would you like to go next?
Maybe it's not like an airplane trip, but next year I'm really excited to go to Disneyland because we're gonna get our passports soon.
Oh yeah, so that's another airplane ride.
Yup.
So maybe that's in Hong Kong.
Not only an airplane ride, but lots of walking and a parade.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Alright, thanks guys. Bye vlog. See you soon. Say bye.
Bye.